হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, গুড মর্নিং। ইতিহাস আলোচনায় সবাইকে স্বাগত। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে এসএলএসটি 10 নম্বর এক্সপিরিয়েন্স মামলায় বিপাকে পড়তে চলেছে ডাব্লিউবিএসএসসি। তো 24শে নভেম্বর হিয়ারিং থেকে কি তথ্য উঠে আসলো সে সম্পর্কে এবার আমরা বিস্তারিত জেনে নেব। তো তো এই ধরনের আরো গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ইনফরমেশন পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে রাখবেন। তো আজকের হিয়ারিং এ প্রেজেন্ট ছিলেন পিটিশনারদের তরফ থেকে মেনকা গোস্বামী ম্যাডাম, এবং রাজ্য সরকারের তরফ থেকে কপিল সিব্বাল ও এসএসসির তরফ থেকে কল্যাণ বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় ও ভিসিতে প্রেজেন্ট ছিলেন বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্য। তো তো এই বিষয়ে শুনানির পর বিচারপতি আগামী 26শে নভেম্বর এসএসসির টোটাল 39টি মামলার সাথে একসাথে শুনানি করে ফাইনাল রায়দান করবেন। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে কি ঘটলো সেটা লাইভ হিয়ারিং তোমরা এবার দেখে নাও।
pertain to this issue of can the government give 10 marks, up to 10 marks for prior teaching experience? So your lordship will be seized with all of this on the 26th. There are 39 matters.
That's the new regulation.
Yes, my lord, that's
Why would it come before us directly?
my lords. The question is, it is listed before your lordships, and the Supreme Court had earlier heard this challenge and had upheld a division bench's order of the High Court, which said that this is within the purview of the legislature and the executive to have such rules. So all those questions will be before my lord.
When is it coming up?
26.
One of
Item 90.
26.
Item 90.
one of the matters,
39 cases.
one of the matters that the unsuccessful candidates and the fresher in 2025, they also challenged that the division by judgment, and your lordships have dismissed it in that case.
Yes.
We have the order.
There's one
That-
matter of concern.
Let's take this up on 26.
Yes, my lord.
Clarify, because today evening the results are to be announced for class 9 and 10. Lordships may clarify that. I explain to your lordships in.
Why do you anticipate that?
Well, what is happening? What is happening? I tell you, lordship, I have got
Calcutta High Court.
Well, Calcutta High Court.
Has passed an order?
Well,
Calcutta High Court, a single judge has seized herself of this matter and is hearing all these issues, including issues which your lordships have heard in the past.
No,
I
this is
appeared
not
there,
correct.
we told her that.
This is not correct. Calcutta High Court is hearing the constitutional validity of it.
Anything about?
Lordships on.
Let the Calcutta High Court proceed on its own way.
my lord, Calcutta High Court now seized of 76 matters.
Yes.
Your lordships, yours the
Can
entire
you act
list.
in one matter? Certain directions have been given. Of course, we are coming on. Not just according to us, just opposite to your lordship's main judge.
In fact,
But in fact, interfere.
Anyhow, bring those cases before.
Well,
But we have But we have moved them.
We need not say anything at this point.
Yeah, but I
I have
have
not said anything earlier. Nothing to be clarified.
Nothing to be
One
clarified.
request, my lord. Just one request, my lord.
Yes.
Just one request. My lord, until your lordship decide this point of this teaching experience legality, on this point, my lord, kindly pass an order, my lord, this High Court should not entertain. My lord, we
No,
are-
no. Why should?
We are not going to say anything at this point of time.
Make a submission. I am supporting my friend, my lord.
We all
are
support
for some-
it.
No,
we are
Lord, I
for
oppose.
candidates Who are not in the list of candidates. Now, they started a proceeding earlier to somehow expand that list and bring in more people. That proceeding got rejected. SLPs came and your lordship rejected that SLP, your lordship remembers. Now some other people have started a similar new proceeding, again to expand the list. Now the learned single judge is
No,
again
no.
now entertaining that and
Yes,
taking it
yes,
up.
This
yes.
is very.
And the issue is completely different.
Now the problem is, we have taken the examination. Now it has been
This is
kept.
a mess of your own
It
making.
has been kept.
Yes.
My lord,
Your lordship may-
impossible, my lord, it is really.
Your lordship.
So
We
make
Let
it-
us-
won't say anything today.
We are going as
Just
per
adjourn the matter
Yes.
at 26.
We'll come up against those orders.
Bas, deep look like
It's
No
very
indifference.
difficult. We are
We'll file an SLP against.
Sorry. tainted or
in every
untainted.
But this
state.
will appear on
In every
26.
with the other connect.
Will your lordships then place it at a particular time? Because High Court has flooded your lordships with these matters. They are hair
For them to
splitting.
handle their own votes.
Your lordships, they are hair splitting the grounds. And all
Yes,
of
that
them have been decided by your lordship.
So it's coming up on 26th November.
Yes, sir.
26th year before my lord, 28th before the High Court.
Very good. 26.
But let me say on top of the board if
No,
we
no,
can. Well,
26th is a.
No, we are just,
Yes,
we are also
grateful,
filing.
because it's
SLP,
imperative that lordships
they
take it.
will got the.
No, let this come up along with the badge.
The diary number of that, kindly just, if it's possible, take it on 26 along with that. We are filing SLP.
You
Yes.
filed it. Where is the
No,
person of
today.
You've not filed it yet.
No.
Calcutta High Court is listed on 28.
28
That's
on
why we are
Friday.
expressing the
26.
urgency that 26 the matter must be taken up by the
26.
lordships. Very great.
Yeah.